Hey everybody, and welcome to my kitchen. This video has two parts. First, I'd like to do my very first giveaway here on YouTube, but we'll get to that in just a second. Second, I'd like to take a minute and thank each and every one of you for all of your love and support you have given me in 2018. This has been a fun roller coaster of events getting this YouTube channel up and running. This channel all started when my husband and I were on vacation and we were asked if we were YouTubers. Well, that question led to, what if I did start my own YouTube channel? So the next thing I knew, I was on an airplane going to California where I went to VidCon, which is a video conference for YouTubers. There I met so many wonderful people and learned how to start my own YouTube channel. I uploaded my very first video on July 4th. I now have over 50 videos and thousands of views. I couldn't be where I am today if I didn't have you. I love cooking because I know how it can strengthen each of our families. That's why I started this YouTube channel, so that we can strengthen our families through food. I know we all go through those phases where we don't know what to make for dinner. So I hope this channel can help you be successful in finding new recipes, learning new techniques, and to set yourself up for success in the kitchen. If you're new to my channel, I always leave the recipe in the description below. Because this channel is for you, I want to hear from you. When you leave comments, when you make my food, and when you engage, it means so much to me. Thank you. Having said all of that, let's go back to the first point where we're doing our first YouTube giveaway. If you leave me a comment below telling me something that you like about my channel, what is something I can improve? What is something you want to see on my channel in 2019? Whatever it is you want to leave below that can help me improve for 2019, I will put your name into a drawing where you can earn a $50 Amazon gift card. I will announce the winner next Saturday, January 12th, in my video. So make sure you stay tuned and watch that video next week to see who is the winner. Thanks again for all of your love and support, so together we can strengthen our families through food. We will see you in the next video.